everyone, my name is Brian, and for this tutorial I'll be showing you a summer glowy look perfect for beach days. Once you completed the base of your face, which is your foundation, concealer, or powder, we can move on to one of the highlights of this tutorial, which is our blush. And for this look, I'll be using this blush right here in the middle. It's a peachy colored blush. You want to concentrate the blush at the apples of your cheeks, but you want to extend it towards your ear and right to your nose to create that sunburnt look you get when you're out in the beach. You also want to add some color to the tip of your nose to tie that look together. Once you're completed with the blush, you move on to your contour and you emphasize the hollows of your cheeks all the way up to your temple. So you're basically creating a C shape right here, blending your blush to your contour. And if you like, you can take it down here to contour your jaw. You're focusing all the contours at the parameters of your face. Since we're doing a summer glowy look, we'll be using highlight two ways. First, we'll be taking a highlight stick, warming it up in the back of our hand, and applying it to the highest points of our faces. So right above here, and all the way up to your brows. And you'll be taking a bit of a product at the back of your hand using your finger to blend out the highlight. Once you're done with that, you'll just take a little bit of a highlight, the bridge of your nose, and into your chin. And do the same thing, blend it out with your finger. We're not quite finished with the highlight just yet. We're gonna take a powder highlight and apply it to the same places. So you're just going over where you put the initial highlight and blend it. You can finish off with this look, or you can add a bit of a pizzazz with faux freckles. And I'll be showing you how to achieve them. So you'll be needing a brow pomade and facial oil. Just drop a bit of the oil to the pomade and use a fine tip brush to create those faux freckles. So when you're making faux freckles, you try to create a more organic pattern. Try to create different shapes and sizes. And you can finish off this look with a bit more blush where you put the faux freckles to make them look more natural. And now you're ready to hit the beach with your summer glowy look completed with faux freckles.